Contingent number 4, Madasigong Kabataan sa Pundok Maghagod from Sanlagan National High School.
Sir, come, we have Banik here, sir.
Hi sir, how was the experience here in the beautiful wonders of Badjan?
It was an amazing experience so far.
Anyway sir, I have here the local products here in Badjan.
Oh, I see. But I like this one for my wedding show in Vegas.
This product would really fit to your show. Did you know that this product is made of pandan leaves?
Sounds interesting. Okay, I'll take this all. And can't wait to come back to witness the fiesta celebration here in Badyan.
Welcome back, Mr. Showman.
Thank you. By the way, I have here an amazing stuff from the Philippines that we could really use for our upcoming show.
Welcome to the greatest show of the world. Viva Las Vegas!
Picture with you guys, please. Come on.
By the way, I like this hat. Where did you get this?
This native hat is from Badyan, Cebu, Philippines, and soon we'll be there on the 24th of July to witness the town fiesta celebration.
Sa
That was contingent number 4, Madasigong Kabataan sa Pundok Maghagod.